Mounting our new cast iron router top on one of our heavy-duty tool stands isn't a difficult task. Nevertheless, since this table is very heavy, we put together this short video with some helpful assembly tips. First, find someone to help you. Moving this top around by yourself is not easy, and it's not something you want to drop. Even if you have no problem lifting 130 pounds, its weight is compounded by the unwieldy shape and size. Assemble the stand to your desired height, but don't fully tighten the nuts at this point. Next, lay down a protective mat on the ground for assembly. This needs to be at least the size of the cast iron top. If you were careful when unboxing the top, the cardboard packaging is great for this. With your helper, carefully lift the cast iron top and place it upside down on the mat you just laid out. Here's a helpful hint. To avoid pinched fingers, grip the top at the plate recess with one hand when lowering it down. If you have one of Infinity Tools' dust cubes, now is the time to attach it to the table. Turn the stand upside down and lower it down to the top, lining up the oblong holes in the top rails with the corresponding 1/4-20 tapped holes in the top. Now, fasten the top to the stand using the included 1/4-20 button head screws. Start on a single side and move from one to the next. Do not fully tighten the screws yet. If necessary, further loosen the nuts and carriage bolts of the stand as you go, and shift the stand until it is properly positioned. After all the screws are threaded into the top, tighten everything back down. If you have any racking after flipping the stand, loosen the nuts again, then retighten after it's straightened out. And remember, if you have questions, our customer support team is always here to help.